If you've been staring at your bank account wondering how you're going to make it through another month, this video is for you. Groceries cost more, gas keeps climbing, rent feels impossible, medical bills don't wait, and every time you open your mailbox, it feels like another bill is waiting instead of relief. Now imagine waking up tomorrow and seeing $2,400 deposited into your account. That money could mean catching up on rent, buying medication without stress, filling your fridge, breathing again. But here's the problem. Not everyone will receive this payment. Not everyone will get it on time, and some people could accidentally lose part of it without even realizing why. This is not just news. This is your money, your future, and your financial survival. In the next few minutes, I'm going to walk you through exactly what this payment means, who qualifies, what mistakes could delay it, and one critical detail most people are missing. Stay with me until the end, because one small action could protect your entire payment. Confusion, misinformation, and missed money. Right now, millions of Americans are confused about Social Security payments. Social media is flooded with rumors. Headlines are misleading. Friends are sharing half-truths. And that confusion can cost you real money. Some people think every recipient automatically gets $2,400. Others believe it's a bonus payment. Some are waiting for deposits that may never come. The truth is far more specific, and missing one detail could delay your funds or reduce your payment. Social Security payments depend on multiple factors: your benefit category, your filing status, your payment schedule, and even your bank processing time. If you assume the money will just show up without checking anything, you could end up panicking when the deposit doesn't arrive. Or worse, losing access to it temporarily due to errors or outdated information. Mini summary: confusion creates risk. Misinformation costs real dollars, and you need clarity right now. But let's go deeper, because the real impact of this payment goes far beyond a number on a screen. What $2,400 really means for your life. Let's be real, $2,400 isn't luxury money, it's survival money. For many families, this payment means catching up on overdue rent or mortgage, paying utility bills before shutoff notices, buying prescriptions without choosing between food and medicine, fixing a car so you can keep working, restoring emergency savings that got wiped out. This isn't about shopping sprees, it's about stability. When your income barely keeps up with inflation, even a small delay in payment can cause overdraft fees, missed payments, damaged credit, and emotional stress. And here's what most people underestimate. Stress impacts your health, your decision-making, and your family relationships. Money pressure doesn't just hurt your wallet, it affects your sleep, your peace of mind, and your future planning. Mini summary: this payment touches every part of your life, not just your bank account. Now, let me tell you something important, something most people don't realize yet. Timing is everything. Here's the twist. Even if your payment is approved, the timing may not match what you expect. Some banks release funds early. Some process deposits overnight. Some hold transactions for security reviews. Weekends and holidays can delay access. You might see the deposit pending but not available. You might receive part of it first. You might not see it until later in the day. And if your banking information isn't perfectly up to date, the system may reject or reroute the deposit, which can take weeks to correct. This is where people panic, flood phone lines, and sometimes make mistakes that slow things down even more. Mini summary: the payment may land tomorrow, but how and when you access it depends on your setup. So now, let's break down exactly who this payment applies to and what you should check immediately. Who this payment is actually for. Not every Social Security recipient receives the same amount. Your payment depends on your work history, your lifetime earnings, your retirement age, your benefit type, retirement, SSDI, survivor, etc. Any offsets or deductions, $2,400 represents a common average or combined benefit scenario, not a guaranteed flat amount for everyone. Some people receive more, some receive less, some receive split payments. If you're receiving spousal benefits, disability benefits, or supplemental income, your total may differ significantly. Mini summary: the headline number grabs attention, but your personal benefit depends on your unique profile. Next, let's talk about something that could quietly reduce your payment without warning: hidden deductions that can shrink your deposit. Your deposit amount may not match what you expect because of Medicare premium deductions, overpayment recovery adjustments, garnishments or tax offsets, voluntary withholding, insurance premiums. Many people forget they authorized deductions years ago and never reviewed them. You might think your payment is wrong when it's actually being reduced automatically behind the scenes. This is why reviewing your benefit statement regularly is critical. Mini summary. Your gross payment and your net payment may not be the same. But wait, there's another detail most people overlook completely. Bank processing. Why your money may not appear immediately. Even when Social Security sends the funds on time, your bank controls when you can access it. Some banks release funds early, hold deposits for verification, flag large transfers, delay availability overnight. If you recently changed banks, moved accounts, or updated personal information, delays are more likely. Your money may be sitting in the system, not missing. Mini summary. Delays don't always mean problems, but you must monitor your account carefully. Now let's talk about protection, because scams surge whenever big payments go out. Scam alert. Protect your payment. Whenever large payments hit, scammers move fast. Common scams include fake texts claiming your payment failed, calls pretending to be Social Security agents, emails asking you to verify banking info links that steal login credentials. Social Security will never ask for your bank information through text, email, or unsolicited phone calls. If someone pressures you urgently, that's a red flag. Mini summary. Protect your identity. Protect your money. Slow down before clicking anything. Next, what should you actually do right now? What you should check today, before tomorrow arrives. Confirm your bank account details. Review recent statements. Monitor pending deposits. Check for unusual alerts. Verify your mailing address. Update any outdated contact info. Small preparation prevents big panic. Mini summary. 5 minutes of preparation can save weeks of stress. Now let's talk about what to do if the payment doesn't show up, if your payment doesn't arrive, if your deposit doesn't appear. Wait 24 hours, check pending transactions, contact your bank first, then contact Social Security if needed. Do not immediately change accounts or submit multiple requests. That can create processing errors. Patience, plus proper steps, faster resolution. Mini summary. Calm action solves problems faster than panic. Now, let's shift toward long-term thinking. Using this payment wisely. Consider paying high-interest debt, catching up on essentials, building emergency reserves. Avoiding impulse spending. This payment can stabilize your next several months if used strategically. Mini summary. Smart use today creates security tomorrow. But there's one more surprise many viewers aren't ready for. Future adjustments, policy discussions, and benefit recalculations may impact upcoming payments. This payment may not repeat the same way next month. Rates can shift, deductions can change, policies evolve. Staying informed protects your planning. Mini summary. Today's payment isn't tomorrow's guarantee, which brings us to something powerful. Your financial awareness is your power. When you understand how your benefits work, you avoid surprises, you spot errors faster, you protect your income, you make smarter decisions. Knowledge keeps money in your pocket. Mini summary. Information is financial protection. Now let's bring everything together. Quick recap. What you must remember. This payment matters to your real life. Not everyone receives the same amount. Bank timing affects availability. Deductions may reduce totals. Scams increase during payout periods. Preparation prevents panic. Smart planning stretches your money further. Mini summary. Awareness equals security. Now let's close this out strong. Tomorrow's payment isn't just money, it's breathing room, stability, and hope. But the real power comes from understanding how your benefits work, protecting your identity, and staying informed about what's coming next. Your wallet deserves attention. Your family deserves security. Your future deserves clarity. If this breakdown helped you feel more confident, more prepared, and less stressed, make sure you stay connected. Subscribe for real updates, real explanations, and real financial clarity. Turn on notifications so you never miss critical payment news. Share this video with someone who depends on Social Security. It could protect their money too. Your financial future matters. Stay informed, stay empowered, and I'll see you in the next update.